Yeah, these are not happening. These are slightly too small for the rims I'm using. So I'll just wedge them on like a real tire. So what we'll do here is we'll have the appropriate tire tool. This is an old pair of crappy tweezers that I use for building balsa models. I'll pop the wheel through. It's going to run pretty straight. On the back, this isn't a real tire. You use your tire iron. We'll use a little soap. I don't have a small enough squirt bottle for it though. As long as you're rolling along the inside edge of the rim. There we go. You get no damage to the edge of the rim. That's going to look way better than any two-piece plastic tire is ever going to look. So I got to knock some of the shine off this. And there we go.